Let's go check out the we'll go check out the dam, and we'll go check out the river. There's so many rocks in the bottom of this. I'd like to take a swim, but you can't really see under the water good, and I can't tell. There's some pretty big boulders in here. I'd smack my face right into one if I wasn't careful. Other than just dipping down to my knees and getting wet. Let's pick our way. I've been kind of checking out the bottom and seeing what it's like in here, and seeing, you know, where the big rocks are. Probably can't move them ever, but like there's some right there that I'm standing on. But if I could bring this up 2 feet, you could swim. You just have to know where the channel is. There are a lot of rocks in here that I'm feeling with my feet that I could pick up and bring over to the shore and, you know, clean it up pretty well. With some big boulders under there that can't be moved. Ouch! So all I need to do is cut my feet here. All right. Here's the beaver dam. Probably gonna kill myself here, break my leg, put a stub right to the bottom of my foot. A lot of rocks. Ouch. I'm not sure why I'm doing this. Is it just to get a video for you people? Or is it so I can explore this piece of property? I guess it's both. If you're with me, you're still with me in the video, hey, thanks for being here. Thanks for tuning in. There's no like one unique theme to my channel, which means it's very hard for YouTube algorithm to figure out who to put me out to. I got more different things going on that I load on up here, but hey, subscribe, stay tuned. It's always going to be something new to explore. So now we're getting down to where the old stone dam was. A lot better on my feet. Get out of the water where I can see what I'm doing. You know, this is a good spot here to re-dam this meadow up. There's a lot of rocks here I could put across. And the rocks in and of themselves aren't going to hold back the water completely, so I'd have to put something else in here. Or maybe it's just stacked logs with big rocks behind them to hold them in place. We'll have to see. On a previous video, I came up here and I cleaned up a lot of blowdowns, sticks and stuff that were in the way over on this side of the river. Quite a feat when they stack the stones in here to dam this up. They picked a good spot for it, right? There's a steep ledge on both sides here. It's narrow, and they just started stacking stones. I'm thinking for a sawmill. Gotcha! Horsefly. Well, folks, I think this is the end of this video. Whoops, wind's taking it. Wind's taking my tripod. Okay, folks, well, I guess this is the end of this video. I really appreciate you being here and joining me as I explore more of my 30 acres here in New Hampshire. Until next time, have fun.